In this video, we will discuss some of the basic questions based on logarithms. So here in the first question, we have to simplify these two expressions that is given to us. 2 raised to log 7 and base 1 by 2 can be written as 2 raised to minus 1. So if we use the property log a base m raised to y, we know this is equal to 1 by y into log a base m. So if we use this property, this expression becomes 2 raised to log 7 base 2. And we know if the number 2 and the base is same, log is removed, final answer comes out to be 7. So this is the first question. Now let us look at the second question. Now here we can write this is equal to 8 raised to minus 1 log 3 base 2. And if we take minus 1 up here, we can write this is equals to 8 raised to log 1 by 3 base 2. Now using the property that these two numbers can be interchanged, what we get is 1 by 3 raised to log 8 base 2, and hence the final answer is 1 by 3 raised to 3, that is 1 by 27. So this is how we solve these two questions. Now these are very easy questions. You must try solving them on your own. Now let us come to the third question. Now here we have log 3 base 2 into log 4 base 3 into log 5 base 4, and this goes on till log n plus 1 base n. Now देखो यहाँ पे अगर इस लॉग का आर्ग्यूमेंट और नेक्स्ट वाले लॉग का बेस सेम है तो इन दोनों को कंबाइन करके वी कैन राइट log 4 base 2 into we have log 5 base 4. अगेन एक लॉग में 4 आर्ग्यूमेंट है और एक लॉग में 4 बेस है. सो दिस is further simplified to log 5 base 2, and in this process ये चलता जाएगा. So all these numbers will be eliminated and at the end हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? हमें मिलेगा log n plus 1 base 2 and this is equals to 10. और अगर हम इसको log हटाना चाहेंगे, so we can write n plus 1 is equals to 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10 is 1024 and therefore the value of n is 1023. So this is the answer to the third question. Now let us move on to the next question. Now here, this is a expression that we have and we need to simplify this. Now here, what we see is, इस question में कहीं पे भी base is not mentioned. So in this question, we have to take base as 10. तो ये क्वेश्चन क्या बन जाता है? So we will write base later on. We have to find the value of this. We have to simplify this. So let us start solving this question. तो अगर हम इसको लिखेंगे, so first term is log 2. The second term can be written as 16 log 16 minus 16 log 15. And 15 can be written as 3 into 5 plus 12 log 25 minus 12 log 24, and we have plus 7 log 81 minus 7 log 80. तो ये हमारा स्टेप नंबर 1 हो गया. नाउ वी हैव टू अप्लाई द प्रॉपर्टी log a into b is equal to log a plus log b, and log a raised to x is equals to x log a. All of these properties we have studied in the previous video. तो अगर हम इन properties को apply करें, so what we have log 2 plus, now 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4 and 4 will come out of the argument in front of the log, and therefore we have plus 64 log 2 minus 16 log 3 minus 16 log 5, because log a into b is basically log a plus log b, and due to this minus sign we have minus sign at these places. And then further we have plus 24 log 5 minus 36 log 2 minus 12 log 3 plus 28 log 3 minus 7 log 5 minus 28 log 2. So this is all that we have after expansion. So log 2 वाला term we have here, here, यहाँ पे and here. So clearly 36 plus 28 is 64. So all of these three terms will get cancelled out. और हमारे पास सिर्फ एक log 2 बच जाएगा. If you look at log 3 वाला term, here we have log 3 and here we have log 3. Minus 16 minus 12 is minus 28 and here we have plus 28. So ये तीन terms भी हमारे cancel हो जाते हैं. Further 16 plus 7 is 23 and here we have plus 24. तो अगर हम इनको simplify करेंगे तो we will just have log 5 वाला एक term, and therefore this can be written as log 2 plus log 5. Now जैसा हमने पहले ही डिस्कस किया था कि we have to take base as 10, so we can write this as base 10 and this is equal to log 10 base 10 and this is equals to 1, and that is the answer to the first question. So I hope this is clear. Now here we have less space, so let us try to solve this next question in the next page. So here let us see how do we solve. हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, तीनों log को न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाएंगे. So on applying the property, this can be written as log 3 base 2 plus 2 log 9 base 4 plus 3 log 27 base 8. Now, if we want to simplify the second term here, ये हो जाएगा log 3 square and base में also we have 2 square, and this can be written as 2 by 2 log 3 base 2. So 2 gets cancelled. Now similarly here if we simplify, we get log 3 cube and in base also we have 2 cube. So this is equal to 3 by 3 log 3 base 2. So basically सारे terms, I mean this term becomes log 3 base 2 and this term also becomes log 3 base 2. So basically 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, and therefore the final answer is 6 log 3 base 2, and that is the answer. Now let us go on to the next question. Now here we have to find the value of x, and it says x plus 1 raised to log x plus 1 base 10 is equals to 100 into x plus 1. So let us begin with a solution. तो हम क्या करेंगे, we will take log on both sides. So taking log base 10 on both sides, we get log x plus 1 raised to log x plus 1 base 10 is equal to log 100 base 10 plus log x plus 1 base 10. Now this term here becomes 2, and the first term can be simplified to log x plus 1 base 10 whole squared, and if we bring all the terms on the left hand side, ये बन जाता है log x plus 1 base 10 minus 2 equals to 0. So let us now put log x plus 1 base 10 as u. बेसिकली ये जो टर्म है ये दोनों जगह सेम अपीयर हो रहा है, सो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए हमने इसको u पुट कर लिया, एंड अगर हम इसको सॉल्व कर लें तो वी गेट दिस एज u स्क्वायर माइनस 2u plus u minus 2 equals to 0, and this gives us u minus 2 into u plus 1 equals to 0, and therefore either u is equals to 2 or minus 1. So let us go to the next page. So if we take the value of log as 2, this is equals to log x plus 1 base 10 is equals to 2. तो अगर हम log हटा देंगे यहां से तो हमारे पास आएगा x plus 1 is equals to 10 squared, which is 100, and therefore x is equals to 99. So this is one answer. Or if u is equals to minus 1, log x plus 1 base 10 is equals to minus 1. Therefore x plus 1 is equals to 1 over 10, and hence x is equals to 9 by 10 minus, and that is the answer to this question. So I hope you understood कि हम इस तरह के questions को कैसे proceed करते हैं. Now let us discuss a couple of important things. Now जब भी हम log लिखते हैं, it is written as log a base b. Generally we take b as either 10 or e. Now you can take any number as base, but these are two commonly used bases. So if we are taking base as 10, we get this is equal to log a base 10, and the second one becomes log a base e. Now the first log जिसमें की base 10 होता है, this is referred to as common log, and this is mostly used for solving. Now जो दूसरा log है, this is basically called as natural logarithms. And इसको represent करने का एक और तरीका रहता है, we write it as ln of a. So whenever ln a is written, it is understood that the base is e, and it is a short form to represent natural log, log to the base e. Now what is e here? So e is called as Euler's number or Napier's constant, and it is a irrational number. It is an irrational number, and its value is approximately equal to 2.71 and so on. So that is what we have about log. So mostly अगर कहीं पे base नहीं दिया हुआ है, so our first choice will be e, and in some cases we can also use 10. So that is all that we have in this video, students. Now ये video बहुत important है. As far as the basics are concerned, we have understood how different properties are applied and how do we get the answer to different questions related to logarithms. Make sure that you understand each and every example.